নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। বন্ধুসকল, আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'ত হাই ছেকেণ্ডেৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়েৰ ইংলিছ ছাবজেক্টৰ দ্য লাষ্ট লেচনৰ কেইটামান কমন কুৱেশ্যন আলোচনা কৰিম। চ' বন্ধুসকল, পলম নকৰি বলক ভিডিঅ'টো আমি সোনকালে আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। ইয়াৰ 1 mark কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ আৰু 2 mark কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰৰ বিষয়ে আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে 1 markৰ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো হৈছে what did friends think for a moment? Answer: for a moment friends thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Question number B. What is the name of the blacksmith in the last lesson? Answer: the name of blacksmith is Watcher. Question number C. What is the great trouble with Alsace? Answer: the great trouble with Alsace was that she put learning till next day. Question number D. Who is the author of the last lesson? So answer to is Alphonse Daudet is the author of the last lesson. Question number E. What was France in great dread of? Answer: France was in great dread of scolding. Question number F. What is a participle in English grammar? Answer: in English grammar, a participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adverb. Adjective. So question number Z. What is the river mentioned in the last lesson? Answer: the river mentioned in the last lesson is Sar. Question number H. How long did M. Hamel teach in his school? Answer: M. Hamel taught for 40 years in his school. So এইকেইটা আছিলে 1 mark question, the last lessoner 1 mark question. এতিয়া আমি 2 mark question, the last lessoner 2 mark questionৰ ভিতৰত আগবাঢ়ো। So 2 mark question হৈছে what did Franz love to be instead of learning his lesson? Answer to whole: Franz was never keen on learning his lesson. Instead of learning, he loved to pick birds, eggs, or to go sliding on the river Sar. Question number B. Why was Franz surprised to see M. Hamel on that particular morning when he went in late? Answer: Franz was surprised to see his teacher M. Hamel in his beautiful green coat, frill shirt, and embroidered black silk cap, which he never wore except on inspection and prize days. Question number C. What did M. Hamel say about the French language? Answer: according to M. Hamel, French was the most beautiful and most logical language of the world. Question number D. How did French feeling about M. Hamel and school change? Answer: French feeling about M. Hamel and the school underwent complete change as soon as he learned that M. Hamel would be giving his last translation. He was now full of remorse for his past neglect for his studies. The idea that M. Hamel would be going away and that he would never see him again made him forget all about his ruler and how cranky he was. Question number E. Why did Prince want to spend his day out of doors? So answer to হচ্ছে Prince that morning was very late for school. Moreover, he had also not prepared the lesson on participles, which Amhamel was supposed to ask that morning, so he thought of running away and spend the day out of doors. So বন্ধুসকল এইখিনি আছিল আমাৰ লাষ্ট লেকশ্যনৰ কমন কুৱেশ্যন। তো যদিহে ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগে তেন্তে প্লিজ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব মোৰ চেনেলটো।